Finding the right hair and beard clipper can be tricky with so many options out there. Whether you're looking for a clean shave or a perfect beard trim, the right tool makes all the difference. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 hair and beard clippers for this year. From Andis to Panasonic, these clippers offer precision, power, and ease of use for your grooming routine. Let's dive into each one and help you choose the perfect clipper for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Andis. The Andis Master Clipper is a top-tier tool known for its incredible durability and precision. This clipper is an all-time favorite among professional barbers and home groomers alike. With a powerful motor and sleek design, it provides an ultra-smooth cutting experience for both hair and beards. Whether you need a clean fade or a quick beard trim, the Andis Master stands out for its versatility and efficiency. Key features: the Andis Master Clipper is powered by a rotary motor that delivers a high blade speed for quick and precise cutting. The adjustable blade lever allows you to customize the cut from 000 to 1, giving you flexibility for different lengths. Its all-metal housing ensures long-lasting durability, while the high-speed magnetic motor offers unmatched cutting power. This clipper also comes with a carbon steel blade that stays sharp longer, making it ideal for frequent use. Benefits and usage: the Andis Master Clipper is perfect for those who want a professional-grade experience. It cuts through all hair types with ease, providing an even and clean cut every time. For beards, its adjustable blade gives you control over the length, while the motor provides consistent power without snagging. Whether you are trimming or styling, this clipper offers great precision. It's ideal for those looking for a high-performance clipper that can handle both hair and beard grooming. Usability: this clipper is ergonomically designed, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Its lightweight frame doesn't compromise on power, making it easy to maneuver. Whether you're doing a DIY beard trim or cutting hair, the Andis Master Clipper offers an effortless, smooth experience. However, because it's corded, you'll need to stay close to an outlet or use an extension cord for more mobility. Durability: the Andis Master Clipper is incredibly durable due to its all-metal construction. It's built to withstand years of use without compromising on performance. The carbon steel blade doesn't dull easily, ensuring that you can rely on it for countless haircuts and trims. With proper maintenance, this clipper will last for years, making it a solid investment for those seeking a reliable and long-lasting tool. In the second spot, we have Braun. The Braun Series 9 9390 cubic centimeters is one of the most advanced electric shavers and beard trimmers available. Known for its innovative features, it offers a close shave while being incredibly gentle on the skin. Designed for both shaving and trimming, it's perfect for those who need an all-in-one grooming solution. Whether you have thick facial hair or sensitive skin, the Braun Series 9 delivers an exceptional grooming experience. Key features: the Braun Series 9 9390 cubic centimeters boasts 5 synchronized shaving elements that capture more hair in one stroke, providing an ultra-close shave. The AutoSense technology adjusts the power according to your beard density, ensuring optimal performance with every pass. Its flexible head ensures that the clipper adapts to the contours of your face for precision trimming. This clipper also comes with a clean and charge station, which sanitizes, dries, and lubricates the trimmer for maximum hygiene. Benefits and usage: the Braun Series 9 9390 cubic centimeters is perfect for individuals who want a close, comfortable shave without the irritation. Its specialized trimmer attachments allow for precise beard sculpting, making it versatile for both hair and beard grooming. Ideal for sensitive skin, it minimizes tugging and pulling. Simply use the device on your dry or damp face, and let the technology adapt to your hair density for a flawless trim. Usability: with its ergonomic handle, the Braun Series 9 is easy to use and maneuver around the face and neck. The built-in LED display shows the battery status, making it easy to keep track of when to charge. The device is also waterproof, allowing you to use it in the shower for added convenience. Its cordless design makes it portable, so you can take it with you on trips without the need for a power outlet. Durability. Braun's reputation for quality is evident in the Series 9 9390 cubic centimeters. This clipper is designed to last for years with proper care. The motor maintains consistent power throughout, and the precision blades remain sharp over time. The included clean and charge station helps prolong the life of the blades, ensuring that they remain as effective as the day you bought it. Coming in at number 3 is the Remington. The Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro is the perfect option for those who want to take their haircuts into their own hands. This self-haircut kit offers a compact and ergonomic design, making it easy to cut hair or trim your beard in the comfort of your own home. The HC4250 comes with multiple length combs, providing flexibility in achieving your desired hair or beard length. Key features. The Remington HC4250 features a curved blade design that contours to your head and face for a more comfortable trimming experience. It also comes with 9 length combs, allowing you to choose the ideal cutting length for both hair and beard. The washable design makes it easy to clean after each use. This clipper is powered by lithium-ion technology, offering up to 40 minutes of cordless use on a single charge. Benefits and usage. The Remington HC4250 is ideal for individuals who want a convenient, hassle-free way to trim their hair or beard. The compact size and ergonomic design allow for easy maneuverability, while the variety of comb lengths ensures that you can customize your trim. Whether you need a quick touch-up or a full haircut, this kit delivers reliable results with ease. It's perfect for beginners or those who prefer cutting their hair at home. Usability. This clipper is incredibly easy to use, even for first-timers. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold, and the curved blades help with precision. Whether you're cutting hair or shaping your beard, the Remington HC4250 adapts to your needs. Plus, its cordless feature adds to the convenience, allowing you to use it wherever you feel comfortable. Durability. Built with high-quality materials, the Remington HC4250 is designed to last. The lithium-ion battery offers long-lasting performance, and the stainless steel blades remain sharp for multiple uses. With proper care and regular cleaning, this clipper can handle frequent use and continue delivering excellent results over time. Taking our 4th spot is Auster. The Auster Classic 76 clipper is an iconic, heavy-duty clipper known for its powerful motor and exceptional durability. This clipper is designed for professional use, but also works well for those who want a high-performance tool at home. Its robust design ensures a smooth and precise cut, making it ideal for both hair and beard grooming. Key features. The Auster Classic 76 features a universal motor that runs at 2,100 strokes per minute, providing a fast and efficient cutting experience. The clipper comes with detachable blades, allowing for easy cleaning and switching between different cutting lengths. The all-metal housing ensures durability and longevity, while the vibration-reducing design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. Benefits and usage. The Auster Classic 76 is perfect for individuals who require a powerful and durable clipper. It can easily cut through thick hair or beards without any struggle. With detachable blades, you can customize your cutting length and style with precision. Whether you're a professional barber or a DIY enthusiast, this clipper provides consistent, high-quality results every time. Usability. Despite its heavy-duty motor, the Auster Classic 76 is easy to handle, thanks to its ergonomic design. The clipper's long cord ensures you have plenty of room to maneuver, and the lightweight feel reduces hand fatigue. Whether you're cutting hair or trimming your beard, this clipper gives you excellent control and precision. Durability. The Auster Classic 76 is built to last, with its heavy-duty construction and powerful motor. The all-metal housing can withstand frequent use, and the detachable blades stay sharp for a long time. With proper care and maintenance, this clipper can last for years, making it a great investment for anyone who needs a high-performance tool. At number 5, we have Panasonic. The Panasonic GB80S Body and Beard Trimmer is an all-in-one trimmer designed for those who want a versatile tool for both facial hair and body grooming. With its 39 adjustable length settings and ergonomic design, it's perfect for achieving detailed trims and smooth shaves. The clipper also features a wet/dry operation, making it great for use in the shower. Key features: the Panasonic ERGB80S features 39 adjustable length settings, allowing for ultimate precision in cutting length. It also includes a high-performance motor that can cut through thick hair with ease. The dual-edged trimmer blades provide a clean, close shave, and the wet/dry functionality makes it suitable for use in or out of the shower. Additionally, the clipper is fully washable for easy cleaning. Benefits and usage: with its wide range of length settings and versatile use, the Panasonic ERGB80S is perfect for both hair and beard grooming. It provides precise control for shaping your beard and offers a smooth, comfortable experience for body trimming. Whether you need to touch up your beard or shave your body, this clipper is versatile enough to meet your needs. Usability: the Panasonic ERGB80S is incredibly easy to use, thanks to its ergonomic design and lightweight frame. The adjustable dial allows you to easily switch between lengths, while the wet/dry capability adds to the convenience. Its cordless design means you can take it anywhere, whether for home use or travel. Durability: built with high-quality materials, the Panasonic ERGB80S is made to last. The high-performance motor is durable and provides consistent power, while the washable blades stay sharp for long periods. With proper care, this clipper will continue to perform at a high level, making it a reliable tool for your grooming routine. Choosing the right hair and beard clipper can transform your grooming experience, saving you time and effort. Whether you opt for the powerful Andis Master, the versatile Braun Series 9, or the durable Auster Classic 76, each of these top 5 clippers offers unique benefits. Remember, the best clipper for you depends on your personal grooming needs and preferences. We hope this review helped narrow down your choices. Let us know in the comments which clipper you prefer, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.